Hello, welcome back to my shop. Here's a quick little video on how to change your spray glue canister, or how I change my spray glue canister. So my canister is empty, turn it off, drain the line. Line is drained, disconnect. Hook it up to citrus cleaner to clean the line. Clean the line. Now that the line is clean, turn it off and purge the line. Now that the line is clean and purged, now we can connect it to the new glue spray tank. Turn it on. Prime the line. Now you're ready to go back in action.